I'm pleased to introduce our distinguished workshop facilitator, Ms. Meera Agarwal, an esteemed professional with a profound background in the field of education and computer science. Armed with a master's degree in computer application, Ms. Meera boasts an impressive career for over 2 decades, during which she has contributed significantly for the growth and development of the education sector. With an impressive teaching journey of over 16 years.
Raise your hand and tell me if you know something about AI, artificial intelligence. I think many people know.
What I think AI is, it's like a computer program which can help you sometimes in some things. If you have like questions, it can.
Agriculture, computer, like agriculture, and in many things it is used.
So, do you think you have used it somewhere?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have used it at Chat GPT. Ma'am, it's an software.
Okay, I tell you, so you can see a robot nurse, you can see some online thing, you can see a chat bot, a smart banking phone, or a car. I'm sure you must have heard of driverless cars.
Tesla cars.
Oh, wow, great. Tesla cars, and then there are Google cars, and there are many more such things which are happening, which are soon going to be part. You just, sometimes you don't know a signboard, it's in a different language, or some particular flower in this example. I saw a flower, I don't know which, but I liked it very much. So, what I do, I just click a picture on Google using Google, and there is a lens there. If you saw in the previous picture image, you will see that there's a lens kind of thing. It will take this picture, and immediately it tells you that this is a magnolia flower. Okay, like that. If there is something which you don't know about, you can quickly click the picture. And the third one was natural language processing, where it is able to read the text, it's able to listen to your voice. Like I told you in the beginning, I use the Google Assistant to make a call my mother. Okay.
Like the session, and they eventually will be using these tools in their everyday life. Thank you so much, Meera ma'am, for joining us for the session and enriching our kids with such immenseful thoughts. And we will be looking forward for such more enriching sessions in the upcoming future.
Definitely, ma'am, definitely.
Thank you so much, ma'am.